Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Substack Notes. So let's get started. First, go to the Substack homepage. Over here, click on your account icon in the top right corner. Then you'll see a prompt that says, "What's on your mind?" Type your note here. After that, click the post button to publish it. Now, scroll through your feed to see posts from other users. You can click the heart icon to like a post. Then, leave a comment by typing your message and hitting send. If you want to reshare a post, click the restack button. You can share it as is or add your own note. To share a post externally, click the share button and choose your preferred option. You can also click the three dots next to a post to follow the user, copy the link, save it as an image, or hide, mute, block, or report. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next